You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word in English. There's gonna be two different pronunciations, British English and American English, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel to learn more vocabulary. British English, UK, household, household, household items, household items. In American English, in the US, it is usually pronounced as household items, household items versus household items. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.